Meaning of hereditary peer.
Hereditary peer.
Hereditary peer.
Hereditary peer.
Hereditary peer. A hereditary peer is a member of the British nobility who holds their title by inheritance rather than being appointed or elected. This means that the title and privileges associated with it are passed down through generations within a family. In the United Kingdom, hereditary peers were traditionally entitled to sit in the House of Lords, although recent reforms have reduced their number. The hereditary peerage was largely abolished in 1999, with only 92 hereditary peers retaining their seat in the House of Lords. They are often seen as symbols of British tradition and heritage.